In a striking homage to the natural beauty and vibrant culture of Cyprus, Heritage Customs has unveiled a custom-built Land Rover Defender that encapsulates the island's spirit. The limited edition vehicle, featuring a unique white and blue color scheme, is designed not just as a rugged off-road machine but as a celebration of Cyprus's rich heritage and stunning landscapes. The Land Rover Defender has long been synonymous with adventure and exploration, making it an ideal canvas for Heritage Customs' artistic vision. The team has expertly crafted this bespoke vehicle to reflect the stunning coastal views and azure skies that Cyprus is famous for. The combination of a pristine white exterior and deep blue accents creates a visually striking contrast that is sure to turn heads both on the road and off the beaten path. At the heart of this custom Defender lies a commitment to preserving the essence of the original model while enhancing its capabilities and aesthetics. Heritage Customs has meticulously redesigned the vehicle, incorporating elements that pay tribute to Cyprus's culture and environment. This includes unique graphics that evoke the island's stunning beaches and picturesque landscapes, ensuring that each vehicle is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The custom Defender is not just about looks, it is also equipped with advanced off-road capabilities, ensuring that it can tackle the rugged terrains of Cyprus with ease. Enhanced suspension systems, upgraded tires, and reinforced undercarriages provide the durability and performance needed for off-road adventures. Whether navigating rocky trails or cruising along coastal roads, this Defender is built to handle it all while delivering a comfortable ride. Inside the vehicle, the attention to detail continues, with a luxurious cabin that combines comfort with functionality. High-quality materials, such as premium leather and custom upholstery, create an inviting environment for both driver and passengers. The layout is designed for ease of use, featuring advanced infotainment systems and connectivity options that keep occupants engaged during their journeys. This blend of luxury and practicality makes the custom Defender an appealing choice for those who appreciate adventure without sacrificing comfort. Heritage Customs has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability in the production of this limited edition Defender. The materials used in the interior are sourced responsibly, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental impact in the automotive industry. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly looking for vehicles that align with their values while still delivering exceptional performance. The unveiling of the white and blue Defender comes at a time when interest in customized and limited edition vehicles is on the rise. As consumers seek unique automobiles that reflect their personal style and identity, Heritage Customs is tapping into this demand with a vehicle that is not only a mode of transportation but also a statement piece. This Defender is a celebration of Cyprus, appealing to locals and tourists alike who want to experience the island's beauty in a distinctive way. The Land Rover Defender has always been about exploration, and this custom edition embodies that spirit in a fresh and exciting manner. By merging luxury with off-road capability and honoring the rich culture of Cyprus, Heritage Customs has created a vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. It invites drivers to embark on adventures while appreciating the beauty of their surroundings, making every journey a memorable experience. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, the demand for personalized vehicles that offer a unique blend of functionality and artistry is likely to grow. Heritage Customs is well positioned to meet this demand, as evidenced by the enthusiastic reception of the white and blue Defender. With only a limited number of units available, this vehicle promises to become a sought-after collector's item, celebrating not just the Land Rover legacy but also the stunning landscapes of Cyprus. In conclusion, Heritage Customs' white and blue Land Rover Defender is more than just a vehicle, it is a celebration of Cyprus's beauty and culture. With its exceptional design, advanced capabilities, and commitment to sustainability, this custom Defender is poised to make waves in the automotive world. As drivers take to the roads and trails of Cyprus in this remarkable machine, they will not only experience the thrill of adventure but also the rich heritage of the island, embodied in every detail of this stunning vehicle. Whether traversing rugged terrains or cruising along coastal roads, the custom Defender invites all to explore and appreciate the breathtaking landscapes of Cyprus.